Powerful and versatile, the AC50 diesel locomotive is designed for mainline heavy freight service. Its double-cab internal corridor layout provides easy operation, paired with a 5,000 HP high-powered diesel engine and AC traction system, reaching a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour. With MU capability for up to 3 locomotives, it handles heavy hauling with ease. The axle load and track gauge are adjustable, making it suitable for railways worldwide. AC50 diesel locomotive, powerful, adaptable, and built for heavy haul.